Hi there and welcome back to my channel. My name is Alexandra from Sesala Design and this week I came up with the most easy to make dress, a classic A-line dress. So let's see what you need to make this dress. 1.2 meters of fabric and 0.5 meters of lining. And that's it. Next I want to show you how I got to this pattern. To make the pattern I use my bodice pattern blocks. I placed the face of the bodice on a new piece of paper and I started to trace it. On the side, I readjust the line to give that A shape. I drew the hemline. And I cut the new shape. I will be doing the same thing for the back of the dress. After I finish cutting the pattern, I place it on my fabric. Trace it and cut it. Keep in mind that the pattern already had seam allowances. Next, it's getting the lining. I place the face of the fabric on the lining and cut it. After I remeasured the length of the dress, I realized that it wasn't what I wanted. So I had to improvise because I didn't have more fabric, and I decided to add small pieces of fabric to the shoulders line. This method is helpful if you don't mind the placement of the arm opening. I also cut the pockets. Now that I got all the pieces, it's time to get to the sewing part. First, attach the extra parts. And press it. Second, sew the lining. Press it. And finish the hem of the lining. Next are the magic pockets. I sew the pocket and use the serger for the edge. I measure where to place them. And sew it on one side. I measure again. Sew it on the other side. Next, I use the serger for the edge. And I close the sides of the dress. I pressed open the seam allowances. Time to attach the lining to the dress. I didn't like that the shoulders line was too big for my shoulder, so I had to extract 2 centimeters from each side. I arranged the lining to the dress, starting from the neckline. I matched each seam. And I start to sew it together. I had to clip the seam allowance because I had a curved seam. Next, I made the top stitch to keep the lining in place. The following step is to adjust the shoulder seams of the lining to the face of the dress. I pinned and cut the extra fabric. To sew the arm openings, I first arrange under the arm stitches. And I build my way up to the shoulder line for one side. I sew it. And I did the same for the other side. I also clip it because it's a curved stitch. Next, I press it and sew a top stitch. The final step is sewing the hem. I clean first the edge with my serger. I made a basting stitch because I need the hem to be very small, and I sew it. Now it's time to show you how the dress looks. I styled this dress with a white shirt with oversized sleeves and my oversized white and black color that I love. And I think that I got a great casual outfit. And that's it this week. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and if you have any questions or advice, as usual, my comment section is open. Don't forget to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and share if you learned something new that you appreciate. Until next time, let's find inspiration.